In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Freshdesk, CSAT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a clear and effective satisfaction survey that captures the right feedback from your customers. First, let's get to the right place in Freshdesk. From your dashboard, head to Admin, then open Workflows and select Customer Satisfaction. This is the dedicated area for building and managing CSAT surveys. If you don't see it, you may need appropriate permissions, so check with your account administrator. Now start a new survey by clicking the plus New Survey button in the top right corner. You'll be given two starting points. Choose a pre-built template or begin from scratch. Templates are great if you want a quick, best practice layout with minimal effort. Starting from scratch gives you full control over wording, scale, and styling. Pick whichever best suits your needs and workflow. Next, enter your primary survey question. Keep it simple and direct, like, how would you rate the support you received? This first question is the anchor of your CSAT and will drive your core reporting. Use clear, neutral wording that applies to any type of ticket, and avoid leading phrases that could bias the response. Short and specific usually works best. After setting your main question, choose the point scale. Freshdesk lets you pick a 2-point scale, such as yes or no, or a numerical scale with 3, 5, 7, or up to 10 points. A 2-point scale is fast and decisive, great for a quick pulse. A 3 or 5-point scale balances simplicity with nuance and is a common choice for CSAT. A 7 or 10-point scale offers more detail if you want finer distinctions and satisfaction levels. Think about how you plan to report results and what will be easiest for your team to interpret. Then decide how the scale should look. You can display it as smiley faces or emoticons, stars, or a simple numbered scale. Visuals influence response rates, so match the style to your brand tone. Emoticons feel friendly and intuitive, stars are familiar and compact, and numbers are precise and universally understood. Finally, add any follow-up questions to the thank you page. Click the plus button or the Add Survey Questions link to include up to 10 additional questions. These appear after the customer gives their main rating, so keep them brief and focused, like asking what went well or what could be improved. Use plain language and avoid overloading the respondent to maintain completion rates. That's it. You've navigated to customer satisfaction, created a new survey, set your main question, selected the right scale and visuals, and added meaningful follow-ups. You're ready to collect clear, actionable feedback.